and welcome to another one of SysAid's tutorials. Today's topic is SysAid categories, which now has a totally new look. Just before we dive in, let's understand what is a category. A category is an entity attribute that allows system administrators to classify service records and configuration items within SysAid. This allows them to organize their service records and categorize them appropriately. In the categories list, which I will show you in this tutorial, you can view, edit, and create categories for use by your service records and configuration items. So let's look at it together. The Categories screen is found in the Settings, Service Desk, Categories. Let's begin in showing how we add a new category. So you click on Add New Category, and the category form will open. In the category fields, you can either type or select from existing categories. So I have decided that my category would be mobile. Let's type it in and click on Mobile Create New. By the way, this is the only place in SysAid which you can type within a field. Let's do the same with the subcategory. I would like it to be iPhone. Again, I'll click on the iPhone Create New, and my third level category would be iOS Upgrade. For each category, subcategory, or third level category, it's possible to create a template text that appears in the description field whenever an administrator or an end user chooses the category. So let's add the desired text in the description template field. The next thing I'm going to do is decide whether my new category is visible in the end user portal, meaning users can choose this category when submitting a new service record from the end user portal. I can also enable categories for specific service record types or CIs. What does it mean? I can decide which service record types are relevant for this category. In this case, it would be incident, request, and let's also add change. I can also set a specific template to dynamically load in the service record form when my category is selected. For that, I must designate a specific template. Let's do that for incidents and choose mobile. I can keep going and do that for each service record type. Last thing I can do is associate the category with CIs by selecting the CMDB checkbox. Let's do that and click on Save and New. The Save and New option is a new option in SysAid. It allows you to easily create multiple third-level categories with minimum clicks. So I can stay here on this screen and add a third-level category to my category and subcategory. Before we go back to the category screen, I want to just for a minute go to the end user portal and see what the end user sees when he submits a service record. So let's click on End User Portal and submit an incident. Let's select my new category. It would be Mobile, iPhone, and iOS Upgrade. I can see that the mobile template, which I associated to this category, has been dynamically loaded and shown in the service record form. So the only thing left for me to do is to submit the ticket. So let's go back to the category screen. Settings, Service Desk, Categories. What else can I do from here? I can set default templates for each service record type by clicking on Defaults and select a template from each service record type drop-down. Let's say that for incidents, I'd like it to be mobile, and click Done. If I select one of my categories or more, the category list actions is shown, and I'm able to perform a number of actions from here. First, I can delete the selected categories by clicking on Delete. I'm receiving a prompt that says, "Are you sure you want to delete the selected categories?" Let's click OK. In case there are service records using one or more of my selected categories, this prompt will appear. It says that the following category, which was marked for deletion, is in use by one or more service records. I'm asked to specify an alternative category for those records. So let's select the application, Module A, and Other. Now I'm asked to select whether my replacement category should apply to active, closed, and/or archived service records. I would want it to apply on active service records only. The last thing I have to decide upon is whether my preference that I've just selected will apply to upcoming conflicts with other selected categories. So I decide that yes, do this for all remaining conflicts, and click Continue. The categories have been deleted. Let's select my application category and see what else I can do in the list actions. I can print and export the selected records to a PDF file. I can also export them to a CSV file. I can decide whether those categories are visible in the end user portal by selecting the appropriate value. Let's say it's a yes. I'm able to determine under which service record types those categories are displayed. Let's say they are displayed under incidents, so let's select enabled. Under request, under changed, they are disabled, and under problem disabled. Let's also choose the CMDB and click a yes. Finally, let's click Set. Everything has changed according to my selection. For example, the application administration software upgrade will be displayed in the end user portal. Under incidents, it's enabled, and so on and so on. Another nice action is to rename a first or a second level category. So if I select the application category again and click on the More Actions button, open the drop-down list and select Rename Category. Let's enter the new name of my category in the text box. And click Save. Since there are service records using one or more of these categories, a prompt will appear. So let's go over it. It says that the following category, which was marked for update, is in use by one or more service records. So I'm asked to decide what service records do I want to update. Let's say I want to update the active and the closed service records. And furthermore, I would like to do this for all remaining conflicts. Let's select it and click Continue. As you can see, the category has been renamed. We can do the same by clicking the More Actions button for the subcategory. Let's just go and change it into something else. And click Save. Again, I'm receiving the same prompt and have to make the same decisions, and click Continue. I would now like to show you how to modify an existing category. Let's search and find my mobile category and click on it. Now, in order to edit this category, I'll click on the pencil icon. This unlocks the category name for editing. Just as I did before when I created a new category, I can either type in the field or select from the drop-down list. So let's change the subcategory and type Android. Click on Android Create New. I also want to change the third level category. I'll type How To. I can change all the parameters I have here. For example, I don't want this description to appear, and click Save and New. So going back to the category screen, let's look for the mobile. Here is the category I just edited. As you probably understand by now, the category screen offers lots of functionalities and possibilities to the system administrators. It'll help you organize and assign the service records and make your day a little bit easier. So good luck with that. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye!